Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Winkin channel. The United States Navy is the maritime warfare service branch of the United States Armed Forces. It is one of the 7 uniformed services of the United States and operates under the Department of the Navy, alongside the United States Marine Corps. The United States Navy plays a vital role in ensuring global security, protecting national interests, and maintaining freedom of navigation on the high seas. But today, where we explore the fascinating world of the United States Navy. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic. How does the U.S. Navy cook on ships in the middle of the ocean? Let's find out. On naval vessels, the heart of the culinary operations lies in the galley, the ship's kitchen. These galleys are equipped with state-of-the-art cooking appliances, similar to those found in commercial kitchens. To handle the culinary duties, the Navy relies on its highly skilled culinary specialists, or CS. These dedicated professionals undergo specialized training in culinary arts, food safety, nutrition, and menu planning. Menu planning is a crucial aspect of onboard cooking. Culinary specialists collaborate with food service management to create menus that provide balanced and nutritious meals for the entire crew. They consider factors like the number of personnel on board and any dietary restrictions. Once the menus are finalized, the Navy has established supply chains to procure necessary food items and supplies. These supplies are carefully stored in designated storage areas on the ship. Now, let's take a look at meal preparation. Culinary specialists work diligently to execute the planned menus. They follow recipes, chop ingredients, marinate meats, and utilize various cooking techniques to create delicious meals. When it's time to serve the meals, sailors make their way to designated dining areas or mess decks. Food is often distributed in assembly line fashion, with sailors moving along the line, receiving their trays and utensils, and being served a variety of hot and cold options. Maintaining proper sanitation and food safety is of utmost importance. Culinary specialists adhere to strict hygiene standards, following established protocols for the handling, storage, and preparation of food. Regular cleaning routines ensure a safe and healthy environment. The Navy also accommodates sailors with special dietary needs. Whether due to religious restrictions, allergies, or medical requirements, alternative meal options are available to ensure every sailor is adequately nourished. And there you have it, an inside look at how the U.S. Navy cooks on ships in the middle of the ocean. The dedicated culinary specialists and their well-equipped galleys ensure that sailors receive nutritious meals to sustain them during their missions at sea. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of the United States Navy.